Hello children. In last class we have seen about community and their types. Are you remembering? What is mean by community? Community means a group of people living in a particular area, isn't it? So today we are going to see about community games. Community has given rise to games. Why you want to play games? To relax and spend free time. So, people in community to relax and spend free time they have made games. So, these games build relationship among individuals in a community. It provides opportunity for elders and youngsters to play together. Sir, nothing but activities that people have formed for entertainment and physical exercise. This has definitely increased the harmony in the community. Means it increased the happiness in the community. Observe these pictures. These people do these activities every day without fail. Physical and mental health will develop if games, yoga, and physical exercises are done as per the need regularly. The body will be strong and the weight of the body can be maintained. The body will also look beautiful if it has a good physical structure. It increases our self confidence. Free time will be utilized beneficially. We can be active and happy always as games give entertainment and happiness. So, now here we can see some examples of national and international games. Why there is national and international games? It helps to build friendship and cooperation with other states and countries, which helps to improve the bond between different countries. The examples of international games: volleyball, hockey, basketball, football, tennis. So, these are the some of the examples of international games. Now we are going to see about what is adventure games. Games which provide excitement and a special experience with special physical competence are called adventure games. These games offer challenge to reach the goal in some situations. These games need a lot of preparation, speed, skill, training, and physical exercising to meet the new challenges it has to offer. What are the advantages of adventure games? First one, it provides a lot of happiness, determination to face dangers, mental stability, physical fitness, and entertainment. Advantages of adventure games: it provides a lot of happiness, determination to face dangers, mental stability, physical fitness, and entertainment. What are the precautions have to be followed while playing adventure games? First one, should not participate in such games without proper training and guidance. Before participating in such games, required skill have to be developed. Have to behave with a lot of patience and responsibility. Patients will have to be handled with competence. Experience to face the threat, harm, and dangers of such adventure games by practicing well to face the challenges. Should participate in the games with cooperation of the team. Examples of adventure games: rock climbing, skydiving, river rafting, mount cycling, mountaineering. These are the examples of adventure games. Thank you.